If fat loss feels impossible no matter what you do, your metabolism may be slow, but it's not broken. Hey everyone! Today, I'll show you how to wake your metabolism back up without starving or overtraining. Eating too little slows your metabolism. Your body needs enough energy to release fat. Muscle raises your metabolic rate. Strength training is non-negotiable. Metabolism loves movement. Daily walking burns more calories than workouts alone. Sleep controls hunger hormones. Poor sleep slows everything down. Stress keeps your body in storage mode. Lower cortisol to unlock fat loss. Consistency beats intensity. Do this for weeks, not days. If this helped, like and subscribe to FlipFit Yourself for more metabolism-boosting fat loss strategies. Comment, reset, and I'll send you a free metabolism reset checklist. Fix the habits, and the metabolism follows. See you in the next one Flex Biceps Fire.